Hello everyone, my name is Richa Acharya. Today I will be presenting on the topic impacts of use of poultry litter in soybean cropping system. Soybean is a major legume crop grown all over the world for both food and feed, and USA is the largest soybean producer with about 87% of world production. Use of nutrients for crop growth is essential, and at present in Southeast Asia, USA, use of poultry litter as a nutrient source is being preferred for its sustainability by the growers. Use of crop covers and poultry litter has helped in increasing crop yield as well as soil fertility. Poultry litter is a rich source of macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium and has been positively influencing the soil physiochemical properties. Application of poultry litter should be done judiciously to avoid residual nitrate, nitrogen, and phosphorus accumulation in soil. It should be applied to maintain plant available nitrogen below 80 pan kg per hectare. When used judiciously in legume cereal cropping system like soybean maize cropping, yield of cereal is likely to increase. This is majorly due to the slow nitrogen mineralization in poultry litter that leads to increased nutrient in soil reservoirs for later crops. Better yield growth is observed in legume cereal rotation from residual nutrients rather than cereal legume crop rotation. Also, economic analysis of poultry litter used alone as a nutrient source is found to be highly cost effective for growers in maize, wheat, soybean cropping system in South Carolina. Nitrogen and phosphorus both are vital for soybean production. Nitrogen promotes crop growth whereas phosphorus promotes nodulation to increase nitrogen fixing capacity of the crop, but the demand of phosphorus is always lesser than nitrogen by the crop. So continuous poultry litter application as nitrogen supplement is likely to accumulate excess phosphorus on topsoil. So during the rainfall and runoff, there are high chances of water contamination by excess phosphorus and zinc present in the soil as well as sex hormones like testosterone and pathogenic bacteria present in the litter. So, use of poultry litter along with other cover crops should be encouraged to decrease the risk of leaching of excess nutrients, hormones, and bacteria in the water sources. Poultry litter is also known to suppress root knot nematodes in some literatures, but the topic is still under study. As a conclusion, it is found that poultry litter is the most economical and viable nutrient source that should be further promoted in South Carolina for soybean cropping system, and focus should be given to keep phosphorus content in soil under control while using poultry litter as a nutrient source. And the decision to use poultry litter singly or in combination with conventional commercial fertilizer depends on the crops included in cropping system as well as excess nutrient accumulated in soil with the poultry litter application.